Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to unlock an iPhone after security lockout. If your iPhone is showing a security locked out message after multiple incorrect password attempts, then you can unlock by using the following methods. Now, if your iPhone is locked out and you are not being able to use it, then you need to simply go on iClouds.com and sign in with your Apple ID and password. Now you need to log into iCloud.com by using another device, and from there you need to tap on the option of Find iPhone. So you need to tap on the option of Find iPhone, and after tapping on the option of Find iPhone, you need to select all device at the top and choose your phone. So after choosing the phone which you are currently using, you need to click on the option of Erase iPhone. This will remotely erase your iPhone including the lockout, but also remove all the data. Now once the iPhone is erased, you can restore from iCloud backup during the setup process, and by doing all of it, you may simply unlock the locked iPhone of yours. Or you may also use iTunes or Finders on your computers, and you may simply unlock by going on it. So after doing all of it, if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you need to do simply contact the Apple support, and you maybe need to schedule a repair or service at the Apple store or Apple authorized service provider. So by doing all of it, you may simply unlock the security locked out iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.